Reddit is the hub for some of the craziest stories to ever exist, but every once in a while, you stumble across a story that you instantly wish you hadn't. Something disturbing on a whole other level. Today's story comes from the same dark corner of the subreddit that gave us the infamous coconut story. If you haven't heard about that one, consider yourself lucky. I might cover it soon, but for now, you need to mentally prepare yourself for today's Tifu because it's about to go as gross as it can possibly go. Tifu by popping my girlfriend's vulva pimple. This happened about 5 minutes ago, and I think it must surely be my first ever original experience. I have no clue who else might have experienced this before. I, 22F, and my partner 21F have a gross hobby popping each other's pimples. Most nights, we pop a gummy, put a flashlight, and our pimple popping tools, and take turns going down. Today, however, we decided to do something a little more special. So we pulled put our volcano and smoked a little. My partner said that she had an ingrown hair on her labia lip. So I went to dig it out, which I have also done before. It, however, wasn't an ingrown. It was a massive bulging pimple. I can't emphasize how much this shit was a ripe fruit in a peak picking season. I immediately begged her to let me pop it, which she agreed to, hoping it would relieve the soreness. I pulled out our pimple popping tools and gave it a little poke with one of the needle tipped ones. I gave it a squeeze, and I swear to God, my life flashed before my eyes. I couldn't see out of my right eye. The pus from the pimple shot out of my partner's labia and catapulted into my eyeball. I blinked in horror, vision still blurry. I began to panic, which made my partner also panic, and I began yelling about how it got in my eye. And I wasn't joking. It definitely is the kind of prank I usually play. According to her, my face had splattered of pus and pimple discharge on it. My eye kind of burned a little, but after I rinsed it out, all was well and my vision was once again 20 by 20. Luckily, we both have clean STI test, so at least I do not have to worry about chlamydia of the eyeball. I told her we should take this to the grave, but she said we should discuss Reddit instead. So here we are. TLDR, popped a zit on my girlfriend's labia lip and the pus shot into my eyeball. Edit. Trip to urgent care confirmed. This is indeed just a pimple, not a cyst, and not a HSV1. Was told to keep an eye out on my eye, but probably in the clear. Glad to have bonded over the fellow pimple poppers, and I hope you all learned from our grave mistakes and go get some safety goggles. I also would like to add some clarifications. Most nights we check for pimples, but it end up lasting for 30 seconds because there isn't anything new. Yes, I know popping pimples can make them worse, but it's satisfying, so I don't really care. My face was good 2-3 feet away, so I didn't all expect it to shoot that far out. Fuck AI. This might be the worst stories that I ever read this year. By ending this year, they just traumatized us with the most horrific story that you will listen. And how crazy it is, they are not alone. Like as she said, she met alike fascinated pimple poppers. Is this a fetish category? I never heard about it. This sounds as gross. I can't even explain it. My reaction was same. What the fuck? What do you think about this story? So that was it. Meet you with another Reddit story. Stay tuned.